The topic of today's video is how to sign your own document before sending in Docusign. So here we are on the Docusign home screen, and you can either click on Start or you can use a template like I'm going to do in this video. And so on this screen, the most important thing that you need to do here is set that I'm the only signer. So you're the only person who needs to sign this document. Obviously, you've already made signature fields, or this template already has signature fields. So we can delete this. And then what we're going to do is fill out the rest of the form. So the email subject, you add your email message because it's going to send this via email. And it's obviously going to send it to you, and then you can just send it to whoever needs sending. So once you're done, hit sign, and in here you can just hit continue. It's just a little review option. And now over here, you can just drag your signature onto the form, or if you want to add some text or something, you can do that too. And it's going to bring up this window. And if you need to change your signature or you've never set it up before, you can do it from here. You can draw, you can upload, or you can just have them use one of the default versions. And that's all there is to it. When you're done in here, just say accept and sign and hit finish. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.